Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Diana. So today, this is the party. We're gonna mix this and this. I'm sad today. It's challenge to my cousin. Come on, mix na. Wait. And this is gonna be I'm not happy today. I'm sad today. Because I miss my glitters green and my glitters orange. We're gonna mix that. We're gonna TikTok first. Wait. Aga. Shido. Mashetala, naniki. I'm sad, guys. But you have so many glitters. But I'm sad yet. Because I'm sad. I'm crying. I miss my orange and my green. I'm gonna buy a glitters green and a glitters orange in the part 4. I'm sorry. But she have so many glitters. Oh, I like this. I'm not crying. I like this, but she's look like a gold. Not a gold. Look like a poo-poo. She look like a poo-poo. I don't like it now. When we're gonna change it. I don't like you now. I love you. Joke lang. That's a joke. But I don't like this. And this is the orange. Ito na yung bago. And this is the new one. And this is the orange one. And this